Alright, somehow I ended the first video. So, this is all obviously still loose in the early stages. And, do a flashlight in here. So, I'm using the SRC Moto bolt because it's just slightly longer. I'm not positive I had to choose that over the Outback Motortek bolt yet, but just in case I needed the extra length, that's why I chose that. So to create the space needed for each crash bar bracket, for the SRC Moto, on the throttle side, I'm using their original spacer. Then that bracket is next to its own spacer by design. To create the extended space I need to have the Outback Motortek bracket attached, I put two washers in between these two brackets. And so the bolt, I hope you can see this. I really feel bad if you can't see it. So the bolt is going through the Outback Motortek bracket, then through two washers, then through the SRC Moto bracket, then through the SRC spacer, then through the original engine spacer, and then through, I really feel bad if I'm doing this wrong. This is what I'm talking about right here. So, SRC Moto bolt goes through the Outback Motortek bracket, then through two washers, then through the SRC Moto bracket, then through the SRC Moto spacer, then through the frame, then through the original engine spacer, then the engine, then the other original engine spacer, and then it comes out the clutch side of the frame. And that's as far as I've gotten, and I'll continue with pictures and videos for anyone else that is interested in trying this project. Very little creativity appears to be needed to make this work so far. Hopefully it's going to work.